This is a quick unboxing video of an ENGWE bag. Check it out. Just open before too many mosquitoes bite me. See what we got. So many mosquitoes today. Alright. I believe this bag's about 70 bucks. Available on the links below. And looks like a pretty good travel bag. I actually picked it up for a good price of free from a contest I had. So, bam. Pretty nice package. Just hold them together. That's what you get. It has a Fox fake carbon fiber look to it there. It's got some straps underneath with Velcro built in. On the front we got a small tool bag. We got a carry handle. Kind of nice little bag there. It wouldn't be a bad little bag for you to take with you into a store or something. Although it does look a little serious. Kind of like an old handgun bag. On the sides we got zippered pockets that open up. Inside we got some reflective siding. So you definitely be seen at night. I just open it? I shut it? A good storage in there. Pocketed zone on top. Oh man. Look at that. That is a bright cover. Definitely put that on at night if you want some visibility. Or if you break down, everyone will be seeing you there. What we got inside? There's some long straps, padded strap for carrying it. That's kind of nice. A non-padded stripe. Some extra compartments. Alright, so it's got a couple of these Velcro compartments. So if you want to break up how you have your stuff inside, you can. You want to separate stuff into different zones. That's all modular like that. It's kind of nice. It's got padding on the bottom. More storage right here. But overall, a pretty nice looking bag. It's got their logo embossed on it here. Right. Some more clip zones. Yeah, lots of places where you can tie on. Let's just see how it looks on a bike. So you got this internal storage and then external storage. So all kinds of places to put stuff. This is debatable because I think I want to go this way with it. That way we've got another little door to open up back here. Let's see. That's on the bottom. It's not too crazy. You just slide it right through the bars. Throw the bag over the side. Swing it back over. And then you're Velcroing. I don't know if the camera's picking up the 1,000 mosquitoes that are in my garage now. Man, we had the most rain into a summer. It's just going to turn into more rain. All right. I think I'm going to go on the back side here. Yeah, I can feel it there. A little cinch down there. All right, there we have it. Let's roll it into the light, see how it looks on a bike. Okay. One of the things you're missing, since you don't have a front rack, you got the rear rack, but you don't necessarily have a spot to hang all your stuff. And this definitely fills that gap. You got a good grab handle here. And let's think about it practically. Okay, you want to run to the store, you're gonna need some extra storage stuff. You just pop this one open. Ooh, what's this? Oh, look. That is actually to expand the package space right there. So, like one of those pop-up tents, you have even more room. That's pretty cool. So you need to throw some groceries in there, pick up some supplies, maybe you need some bike parts. Boom, no problem. The side packets are soft, kind of like a leather feel to them. I wasn't sure if they were going to be like full-on road packs or just additional storage. It feels almost like there's one more layer in there that I haven't got to yet. Let's see. Is there something more? No. Oh yeah, look. These are just tucked up inside. There you go. Look at that, saddle packs. So crank these open. And then they open all the way up. Wow, look at all that storage. Look at that. So now we're talking saddlebags. Yeah, you could put a lot in there. You could put 2 liter bottles, a couple bags of groceries, and then once you're all done, you could just clean it all back up, wrap it all up. Get aerodynamic. And I like this little bag on the back because this is just the right size for throwing some tools in. I keep my tools right now in my backpack here, but maybe grab just a handful of odds and bids. See how we fit in there. Yeah, let's take in their big wrench. Allen, multi-tools, blah blah blah. No problem, that just eats it up. On this back section though, it's definitely got a screen instead, so you're not going to want to put stuff that you worry if it's going to get wet. You could also, being the shape that it is, that's probably not a bad spot for a bottle of water too. Maybe, just maybe, tools would be better off in here. Bam. So much room for your stuff. And you too could, if you wanted to leave this wide open, you could pop in something even bigger. See, that's a pad on the bottom, so that's nice. Yeah, so between the side saddle packs and the middle, you have a lot of capacity right there in a bag. Perfect for heading out to the store, picking up anything that you kind of want to secure. You don't want to carry in your hands. Yeah, but for around 70 bucks, I assume, that's a pretty good bag. I'd recommend it. Definitely a good upgrade for storage. And a lot of options on there. Just from, you know, I want to have some maps in here, newspaper, toaster size container, a couple 2-liter bottles. Looks like. And this is good. This is a good rain cover. This sealed everything in. If you are in a place where you get a lot of rain and you need a lot of visibility, that's a nice little hairnet for it. Alright, hope you like it. And let me know in the next one. If you like this type of thing, if it's cool, check it out. I got a link down below. I'll see you.